Understanding Job Responsibilities, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into an important concept that's crucial for both job seekers and professionals. Job responsibilities. Understanding this term is key to navigating the workplace successfully, whether you're applying for a new position or aiming to excel in your current role. Let's get started and unpack what job responsibilities really mean. Job responsibilities refer to the specific tasks and duties that a person is expected to perform as part of their role within an organization. These responsibilities vary greatly depending on the job title, the company, and the industry. For instance, the responsibilities of a teacher will be vastly different from those of a software engineer. Understanding your job responsibilities is crucial because it outlines your role within the company and sets clear expectations for your performance. Knowing your job responsibilities has several benefits. It helps you focus on the tasks that matter most to your role, understand how your work contributes to the overall goals of the company, identify areas for professional growth and development, enhance your job satisfaction by providing a clear direction in your daily activities. Employers also benefit from defining job responsibilities clearly, as it aids in the efficient management of teams and ensures that all necessary tasks are covered. 1. Read your job description carefully. Start by reviewing your job description, which should outline your key responsibilities. If it's not clear, don't hesitate to ask your manager for clarification. 2. Ask for a role expectation meeting. Request a meeting with your supervisor to discuss your role's expectations in detail. This can help clear up any confusion and allow you to ask questions about your duties. 3. Regularly review and update your responsibilities. Job responsibilities can evolve over time. Make it a practice to review and update your understanding of your responsibilities regularly, especially after performance reviews or when your team's goals change. Prioritize your tasks. Learn to prioritize your responsibilities based on urgency and importance. Set clear goals. Setting short-term and long-term goals can help you stay focused and motivated. Seek feedback. Regular feedback from your peers and managers can provide insights into how well you're managing your responsibilities and areas for improvement. Understanding and effectively managing your job responsibilities is a key step in achieving career success and satisfaction. Remember, clarity in your role leads to better performance, growth, and fulfillment in your professional life. We hope this video has shed some light on the concept of job responsibilities and how you can navigate them in your career. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful content. See you in the next video.